Hey guys, I just want to take a minute because I'm on a 2 hour delay. We got a snowstorm last night to just say thank you. We hit 1,000 subscribers on the YouTube channel, and also that I'm launching the podcast on YouTube as well. So, because you guys are the ones that got me to that first milestone that I'm super excited about, and I hope that it's helping you kick some class, the name of the podcast and the blog, that what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to push out my second episode of the podcast on here early. So if you are listening to the podcast, wherever you listen to podcasts, you get to watch this face actually talk about it live-ish. In other words, you get to see me do it and the voice and stuff is synced up. So I'm going to do that this time. We're going to put it out early on YouTube. Actually, I think I'm going to launch it probably today sometime instead of Sunday. So you're going to get it way in advance. I hope it really does help. I know teachers are going through it right now, and really the whole point of this podcast and the video podcast here on YouTube is about teacher health and balance, making sure that, the three domains of your life, your work, your personal life, and your health, all stay balanced and you are kicking some class. So I hope you enjoy it. I would love your comments, feedback, share it with somebody else, and we'll catch you in the next one.